How to assign highest priority to a repository using apt pinning. So we can use apt cache policy command to find a particular package where it is available. So in this case I am going to find this Python ironic client package where it is available. In here you can see actually it's not, this package is not installed in this system, and if you run apt get install, Python ironic client, it will get installed from this repository. That's this candidate means. So this candidate is pointing to this one, right? So if you look here, so if you do apt-get install Python ironic client, it will get installed from this repository. So this repository has highest priority. So you can see the priority number here. It's 400, 500, 500. So this is the lowest priority. Suppose you want to install this Python ironic client from this particular repository. How to do it? So for that we need to increase the priority of this particular repository. So I will show you how to do that. For that we need to go to etc apt, there we can see a directory named preferences.d. Go to that one. Inside that folder you can see one file named trustedhello.pref. Let me open it, or let me cat it. No, cat it, that's better. So before cat, let me run the previous command again, this one, then cat. So actually this file, in this file we have specified the priority of this repository. So we have given priority 400. So that's why here we are seeing the 400. So I am going to increase the priority of that repository. Let me edit it. I am going to set it 600. And save it. Now run apt cache policy. You can see its priority is increased to 600 and candidate is changed. See, now if you do apt-get install install Python ironic client, it will get installed from this one only, not from this one. Okay, so I'm not going to install it, I'm going to skip it. So that way we can set the priority to the repository. Now it's changed back because one service is running that deleted my changes. Okay, now let me install this package. So now if you do apt-get install, we know that it will install from here, that is it's installed from Ubuntu Cloud Archive Canonical, this particular repository. So let me install it. Press Y, press Y. Actually one internet connection problem, let me fix it. Okay, I have fixed the internet issue. Now let me try to install again. Okay, now it's installing. Okay, it's installed. Now let me check apt cache policy. Now you can see it's installed. It's installed from where? It's installed from this particular repo, that is this one. You can see a star symbol. Then the candidate again the same only. Okay, and you can see one more file here, warlib dpkg status. So if you if you open that file and check, you can see the information, this information about that particular package. Let me search this. You can see here. So same package name, status installed, okay, priority optional, installed size, lot of things, dependencies, descriptions. You can see a lot of information there. So let me try to remove it. Okay, I removed it. Let me check apt cache policy. Now you can see it's not installed and candidate is this repo, so there is no star, so that means it's not installed. Then let me do the one thing. Let me change the priority and try to install from this repo. Okay, so I'm going to do that. So I am going to change the preference. So here I am going to give priority to 600. Actually here this origin means origin here, this one is, you can see actually where, you can see here this one. Now priority is changed, so now this will get higher priority and this will change. So let me check the apt cache policy. You can see priority is changed. So now if you do apt-get install, now if you do apt-get install Python ironic client, it will get installed from this one, but there is some dependency issue, so I cannot show it right now. So let me change the priority back to 400 and check the policy and install again. Yeah, this time it will install. Okay, it's already installed. Now let me check the policy cache see installed. So you can also see the source here in source list dot d here. So this is where that repo is defined. Here you can see the definition of this repo in this source list.d file. So if you want to set a priority to a repository, what we need to do is we need to create a file here in etc apt preference.d, and there you can specify something like this: package, all package, that is package star, then the name of the repo, then the priority. Okay, here you can see one example.